Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A38 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening your browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out based on this video how to clear the browser in your device. Of course, which you're currently using. So as I said, let's open the browser, and here we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the history. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites, and of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button. However, let's be honest, if you were using the browser for a very long time, this list will be also very long. So it is not really the best idea to remove everything manually, because it will simply take too much time. So all we have to do is to tap on clear processing data, and here we've been transferred to some basic options and advanced options. So in basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and saved data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So I will remove everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, all time. So it's up to you. After that, just tap on clear data. And as you can see right now, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed actually everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.